Onto the investigation wey dey shele for NDDC, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don order for sharp investigation. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk say make security and investigating agencies work well with the National Assembly to make sure say dem no waste the work wey the administration dey do to bring sanity, transparency and accountability enter NDDC so that dem go fit manage the large amount of resources wey dem wan take develop the Niger Delta sub-region. On top the plenty gbege and the katakata wey dey shele for Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) since, Presido Buhari don talk say him ready gidigba to find out the real koko wey make Deve never gree enter Niger Delta come better the life of the people, especially as e be say dem dey allocate better resources for this particular matter every year. According to the order, Presido Buhari talk say make auditing firms and investigative agencies work together to form collabo with National Assembly committees wey go resolve the matter wey dey NDDC, as dem go need to work with time and inform presidency of the work wey dem don do. E say make dem quick dey share informate to presidency, make dem for fit know wetin dey wrong before and how dem go take correct am for future, as this one go help make the life of Niger Delta people better. Presido Buhari talk say him administration dey bring about wetin him talk for English as rapid, even and sustainable development to the Niger Delta region, as him talk say him administration go put ogbonge plans for ground wey go better the framework of NDDC and other government institutions. Na here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Muhammadu Buhari don order for sharp investigation on top NDDC matter, as him don talk say make security and investigating agencies dey work together. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Edogogo Edoleyi.